Here you go, Jack. So you can. He got it. Come on, because so you can feed the fish and the birds. Here's another piece. Throw it in. Don't go too close.
Yeah, bud. Let's see that bucket. I'll see that bucket.
See if the pelican's going to come? Oh, the crane? No, he didn't get it. He didn't get close enough. Oh, that other bird's going to come. They're looking for it. Come on, you got a little bit more to feed. Here, come on. Jack, Jack, don't worry about them. Come and feed the fish. There you go. You got a couple more pieces. Get those birds. You dropped it. Right down there. There, your hat. Break it in little pieces. Not too big. Look who else is coming. Looking for more bread. They frightened him away. Here comes the pelican. There's the pelican. On the ground. He might come and get it.
This is small.
I think you finished all the bread. Oh, little pieces. Here comes the pelican again. It's the pelican. Oh, the white bird came and took it.
Oh, that one didn't take it.
No. All gone. What do you say?